Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a real simple DIY on how to make your own little mirrored platform like the one I'd seen at Hobby Lobby. The one I saw at Hobby Lobby was, I believe, $7.99, and I'm gonna redo this for $3 with lots of leftovers to do more DIYs with. Before I get into it, I just want to please ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So all you need for this project is going to be one mirror from the Dollar Tree. I picked up a pack of these styrofoam circles in the floral area. They were white, yes, and I've already sprayed it silver so it will blend in better when I apply my adhesive diamond wrap. You'll also just need your hot glue gun and some E6000. This is the super glue from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. It works just the same as the E6000. Now, because you see the mirror isn't a perfect fit, I'm just going to line it up, and I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to carve out the part that is too large. So I'm just going to rest the mirror on top, and that's about it. This is going to be pretty simple. I'm simply just going to go down along the edge and get out this piece that I want to get rid of. Actually, now it's not going to be silver, so I'm going to have to go touch that up real fast and be right back. Alright, so I sanded it gently with my little sanding block just to get it smooth, and I put on my spray paint. It is dry. It pretty much dries instantly. So now what we're going to do is just glue on the mirror. I like to use this super glue and the hot glue. So I'm just going to put a generous amount of the super glue on because that cures over time. It just keeps everything better in place. A little bit of hot glue all over the place here. That will get it to stick right into place right away. And I'm just going to line up my mirror real quickly because that hot glue dries fast. Press it down. Everything's aligned. The diamond wrap is 5 rows, and it actually is a perfect fit. So I'm just going to glue that on with my hot glue gun. You gotta be careful when you smooth out your adhesive. Well, you gotta be careful when you smooth out your diamond wrap because the hot glue comes through, so you just don't want to burn yourself. That is it. I am all done. Look how beautiful this came out. And in this picture here, I have the Dollar Tree candle holder and just a little floral arrangement in it. So if you like simple DIYs, this took me no time at all. I swear to you, this is so worth it. Instead of paying $8 at Hobby Lobby, or even with the coupon, you could do this for yourself. It'd cost $3, and you could make another one because you have a leftover styrofoam circle and a lot of leftover diamond wrap. So that is it for today. I just wanted to share this little dupe with you guys. So if you like videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload to YouTube. See you soon. Bye.